Hello friends, welcome back. In the previous videos, we have seen how we start interacting with a locally hosted model via Python, and then we also designed our directory structure where we arrange prompt and other things, dependencies in a neat way. And in the last particular video, we also saw about conversational memory, for a particular thread. Now, in this session, we will look at how we can upload a file because this is a very important step because many real AI use cases aren't just about chatting and talking all day. It's about understanding how documents, notes, reports, config files, logs, policies, how we can upload to a model and then perform some analysis on that or ask questions or perform troubleshooting. So in this session, we will start with a simple text file. The user uploads a file through Streamlit app. So I'll head back to the IDE. So it's a simple program, and this will trigger the thing. The Streamlit application will be up on this particular port, and I am going to use the same lightweight model here. This isn't actually RAG, it's just sending a local file to our model, and we can ask questions based on that file. So I have already triggered this application and it's already live. So going back to my yes Streamlit application, so I have this incident notes. Let me first show you what are the contents of this file. So it is just some errors and some likely notes, likely causes and action. So let's go ahead and upload this file. And yeah, there's already an answer, already a question. So it is responding on based on the file. So let us try to ask something else. Prevent this in future. So yeah, this is a different response because yeah, the information is not actually limited to just the document. So the model goes back and then looks for all the possible ways to improve the solution, but we may not be even using a load balancer, or we may be already using a load balancer but we have not designed it properly. So there could be multiple scenarios, so the context is missing over here. So this is a very simple version where we put the whole file into the prompt, and for small file it works well, but for large files this approach has limitations. The file may be too large for a model's context window, or maybe the response will be slower, or maybe the model might miss some details and we may be sending a lot of irrelevant information. That's exactly why we will learn about chunking, embeddings and retrieval, and these are a little bit advanced concepts when it comes to RAG. So before we build a full RAG pipeline, it is useful to understand the simplest document assistant pattern. So this is what we saw now. So to summarize this whole chapter, the flow is very simple. We upload a file, it reads the text file, and we ask a question based on that file, and the prompt is built with file content and the question, and there is a call happening to the model, and then we get the response back. So all this is happening. The interface is Streamlit, as we have seen in the past couple of videos. So in this chapter gave us the first version of local document assistant, and we are at the end of this interesting video. Hope you found it useful, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.